This is the knife I've been working on. Well, I haven't been building this, but I've been trying to put this back together, and it's super hard because this piece just like wants to mess up the entire thing. So I'm gonna try to record myself trying to fix this. Don't know how though. Oh, that almost works too. Oh, perfect. Okay, so this is my knife. See, I've been thinking this piece goes here, and then this goes like, but it's so hard. Because you never know if you're getting close or not. If my dad was here, this would be way easier. But he's not. He's underway. Because he's in the Navy, so that's, oh my God! You can easily see my anger. Oh, this, yeah, we don't need that. That's a ceramic knife. There. This piece, I'm trying to make this so you can see it. This is probably going to be a very long video. Probably going to have to make this into multiple parts because my YouTube is stupid. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. It goes in like that. Doesn't it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it goes in like that. Yep. Yay, figured it out. Took me like half an hour though. So hard. You know, some of my videos, it takes so long to plan what I'm gonna do and like everything. It's just so long. And then when I finally get to doing the video and posting it, it barely gets any views. And I'm going to shout out somebody, Carly Jones. She is one of my friends. She watches my videos. And she asked me, why don't you try going live on YouTube? So I know why I can't go live, Carly. It's because I need 1,000, at least 1,000 subscribers. So if I want to go live, I gotta work at this. Oh no. No, this is the wrong screw. What? Why'd I put it in there? Ow, I think I found it out. Working at this for so long. Well, not so long, more like half an hour, but still, geez, Louise. Try to jam this down as far as possible. There we go. Hope I didn't break anything. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There it is. Woo! I did it. Yeah. If you guys want to see me disassemble this entire thing and then deep clean it, like I will do the deepest deep clean I've ever done with my dad. It would take a while. It'd be like an actual YouTube video, like about 20 minutes long. Cause deep cleans on pocket knives take a while. So it's probably stopped recording. Oh, no, it didn't. Okay. Yeah, when I was at the skate park, I was recording some videos on the YouTube app, so it wouldn't take up storage, but it kept, like, stopping for some reason. And I thought it was pretty stupid. And I got mad. But if you guys look down in my history of videos, it's not that long of a list, but my very first video was at the skate park. So I actually got a skateboard after I got my phone, which I feel like I should have got my phone after my skateboard because, well, I mean, I was asking a phone for my birthday, so I guess I am kind of good, but at the same time I'm not. There we go. Just hope this doesn't fall apart. So, got a pretty, oh no, I messed something up. Oh no. Maybe if I loosen it? Can't remember if it was tightening it or loosening it. It was either one of those, but it makes it flip faster. Guessing it's loosening it. Yep, definitely loosening it. Tighten it a little bit more. There we go. So that was my reassembling video of my pocket knife. So thanks for watching. Bye.